Best AutoDS alternatives for Shopify dropshipping. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Shopify for dropshipping or thinking of jumping in, you've probably heard of AutoDS. It's one of the more popular automation tools out there, but it's not the only option, and it might not be the best fit for everyone. So, whether you're looking for something more affordable, more flexible, or just better suited to your workflow, there are other tools out there worth checking. In today's video, we're breaking down the best AutoDS alternatives for Shopify dropshipping, so you can find the platform that works best for your business. Before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, why look for an alternative AutoDS? Now, before we get into the list, let's talk about why people consider switching from AutoDS. While AutoDS offers solid automation, product sorting or sourcing, and order fulfillment features, it's not perfect. Some users feel it's a bit pricey as you scale. It's limited when it comes to multi-channel support unless you go custom. It has a bit of learning curve, and it charges separately for things like Finder credits or order processing. So if you're feeling limited, want more freedom, or simply want to compare options, here are the best alternatives that you should know about. First things first, it's DSers. It's one of the most popular and official AliExpress dropshipping partners. Now, why it's a great alternative? It's free to start, it has deep integration with AliExpress, it has easy product importing and order syncing once again with AliExpress, it has built-in bundle creation and BOGO offers, and lastly, it supports multi-stores under one account, unlike AutoDS. Now the pros is going to be very affordable. Even the advanced plan is under $20. It's great for bulk ordering from AliExpress. It has user-friendly interface, and it is the official AliExpress partner, meaning it's faster, more reliable in syncing. Now the cons is that it is mainly focused on AliExpress. It's not great for non-AliExpress suppliers. Second is that it has less advanced automation compared to AutoDS. Now this is best for beginners and budget conscious sellers using AliExpress as their main supplier. Second option is going to be Zendrop, a US-based fulfillment platform built specifically for drop shippers. Now, why it stands out? It offers US-based suppliers and faster shipping. It is a private labeling option, or it provides those options. And lastly, they have automated fulfillment and real-time order tracking. Now for pros is that it has faster delivery times than typical China-based platform. It has a good customer experience with branded packaging, and it has easier product sourcing with built-in product editors. Now for cons, it has limited product catalog compared to AliExpress, and the pricing starts around $50 a month, which is on the higher end. Now this is best for sellers who want faster shipping on the US and better customer satisfaction. The third option is going to be Spocket. Now, Spocket is another strong contender with a focus on US and EU suppliers. Now, why it's unique? 80% of its suppliers are from US and Europe. It has fast domestic shipping, and it integrates seamlessly with Shopify. Now for pros is that it offers high quality vended suppliers. It is great for branded products with premium niches, and no need to deal with long shipping times from China. Now the cons is that it is more expensive than other tools, around $40 a month. It has limited in terms of automation compared to AutoDS. Now this is best for dropshippers targeting the US and EU markets who want the better shipping speed and quality. Now, the fourth option is going to be Dropified. Dropified is a powerful feature-rich platform that's been around for years. Now, what makes it stand out? It basically works with AliExpress, eBay, and more. It offers advanced products, bundling, and upselling tools. And lastly, it has built-in product or profit tracking and analytics. Now for pros, it has more features than the most tools in its class. It has built-in automation for fulfillment, pricing, and product updates, and you can create your own dropshipping private label product line. For cons, it can feel overwhelming for beginners, and once again, it is more expensive. The pricing can start around $50 a month. Now, this is best for experienced dropshippers looking for deep control and advanced feature. Now, the last option that I'm going to suggest is going to be Importify. It is a lightweight, affordable alternative that's great for quick product imports. Now, what's great about it is that it supports over 30 suppliers including Amazon, Walmart, DHgate, Etsy, maybe Temu, and more. It is very simple to use. It has a fast setup for Shopify. Now the pros is that it has one-click import from many sources. It has a clean and beginner-friendly interface, and it starts around $15 a month. So it's a budget-friendly alternative. Now the cons is that it's not as robust in automation, and you have no order or auto-order fulfillment, only semi-automated. Now this is best for sellers who want to test products from various suppliers without committing to a big platform. Now, some quick comparison recap. Basically, DSers is best for AliExpress users and budget dropshippers. It starts with a free plan. For Zendrop, it's best for fast US shipping and branding. It starts around $50 a month. For Spocket, it's best for US and EU quality shippers or suppliers. It starts around $40 a month. For Dropified, it is best for experienced sellers all in one. It starts around $47 per month. And lastly, for Importify, it's best for simplicity and multiple suppliers. It starts around $15 per month. And so, which one should you pick? You want to go with DSers if you're on a budget and sticking with AliExpress. You want to choose Zendrop or Spocket if you care about shipping speed and customer experience. Pick Dropified if you're managing multiple products and want powerful features. And you want to try Importify if you're still experimenting with different suppliers. And don't forget, most of these platforms offer free trials, so you can try them out without risk. So there you have it, the best AutoDS alternative for Shopify dropshipping. The right tool can seriously save you time, increase your efficiency, and help you scale. Just make sure that you pick one that fits your stage of business and your goals. Let me know in the comments which one you're using. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.